Innovation spans the steel bridge industry, but 8 recent bridges rise above the rest. This year's Prize Bridge Award winners are all fantastic examples of how teamwork between owners, designers, fabricators, and constructors can result in innovative and beautiful steel bridges, while also reliably serving their communities for many years to come. This year, the Owner of the Year award goes to the New York State Department of Transportation.
New York's Department of Transportation displayed outstanding in-house capabilities to respond to critical situations over 2 separate projects. A cost-effective shoring system stabilized the Riverview Road Bridge over I-87 until a replacement was designed and installed, a vital model for DOTs responding to vehicle impacts. The Route 28 North over Fishing Brook project highlighted in-house design and collaboration with a fabricator to repurpose rolled shapes owned by New York DOT for a quick replacement of a bridge that became unstable after a flood.
Also in New York, our 2026 national winner in the movable bridge category is the Unionport Bridge in the Bronx. The precision and accuracy required for the twin single-leaf bascule spans of the Unionport Bridge can only be achieved with structural steel.
The Unionport Bridge features new twin single-leaf bascule spans. The bridge's innovative geometry minimizes the opening angle by lengthening the span and relocating the bascule pier onto land, reducing its footprint in the creek and allowing for easier maintenance access. The project required full shop assembly of hundreds of structural pieces and thousands of hardware components to ensure accurate geometry, alignment, and constructability, while match drilling eliminated field adjustments during erection.
Just south of New York brings us to the Hawk Falls Bridge replacement project of Kidder Township, Pennsylvania, one of our 2026 national winners for the major span category and one of our finalists for Bridge of the Year. The new Hawk Falls Bridge is a 3-rib steel deck arch designed not only to serve the traveling public, but also to fit perfectly within the natural surroundings.
The 3-rib steel deck arch of the Hawk Falls Bridge spans 465 feet, harmonizing with its natural setting. The continuous multi-girder superstructure eliminates expansion joints, while walkable arch ribs enable internal inspection. Hinged bearings at the arch bases use grade 50 CR stainless steel pin plates and stainless steel pins, along with self-lubricating bronze bushings for longevity and minimal maintenance.
A further jaunt south takes us to Nitro, West Virginia, where we find the I-64 Kanawha River Bridge, our other 2026 national winner for the major span category and another finalist for Bridge of the Year. This project shows that very long span steel plate girders are a cost-effective, efficiently constructible solution for future projects of this size.
This project includes a record 562-foot steel plate girder span, the longest in the nation. The design-build project team addressed significant challenges, including maintaining interstate traffic and rail operations, working over a busy river without temporary structures, and adapting existing piers for the new superstructure. Detailed modeling and analysis were used to validate the constructability and performance of the record-breaking span. The project establishes a new benchmark for long-span steel girder applications.
Our third finalist for Bridge of the Year sits in Tulsa, Oklahoma, with the national winner of the Special Purpose category, the Williams Crossing. This project shows yet another way structural steel elegantly meets transportation needs. The first ever use of this stiffened plate concept is the signature feature of this bridge, a result of great teamwork.
Spandrel arches using steel plate-stiffened decks are the signature feature of the Williams pedestrian crossing. The innovative design is characterized by isolating the arches from bending by carrying unbalanced loads in the steel decks. The choice of steel and application of architecturally exposed structural steel permit an elegant, open cross-section in an appealing curvilinear form in both plan and elevation.
Our national winner for the rehabilitation category is the Sherman-Minton Corridor project in New Albany, Indiana. The Sherman-Minton Bridge, originally constructed in 1962, is another example of a signature structure that can be expertly rehabilitated and strengthened.
This double-deck tied arch bridge was rehabilitated while maintaining nearly continuous traffic for its 70,000 daily users. What stood out to us was the use of prefabricated components to accelerate repairs, along with the use of an innovative construction sequence that enabled hanger cable replacement without temporary supports. By leveraging the versatility of structural steel, the project delivered cost-effective and resilient solutions that are expected to extend the bridge's service life for decades to come.
Across Missouri, you'll find our national winner for the short span category, the Farm Bridges Design Build Bundle. This project shows the cost effectiveness that steel superstructures can provide in both the short span and design build environments.
The Farm Bridge program in Missouri delivered 31 short span rural bridges across 15 counties in under 2 years. The program's hallmark was its innovative use of galvanized structural steel for 100-year service life, combined with a simple for dead load, continuous for live load design methodology. The project provided the rural community with safer, wider lanes, improved rural connectivity, and compliance with environmental protections.
Nashville, Tennessee, home to the merit winner for the medium span category, the Broadway Viaduct Bridge Replacement Project. A great case study for how only steel can be customized to provide a shallow superstructure that meets the vertical clearance requirements of obstructions below with minimal disturbance to the bridge approach roadway.
The Broadway Viaduct Replacement Project uses steel to renew this key bridge in a complex environment. The judges noted the project showcases steel in this solution by avoiding splicing over the rail yard and setting simple spans that were detailed to be continuous for live load. The tactical use of grade 70 material achieves a shallow structural depth to meet overhead clearance demands. CMGC delivery and steel construction shine here for innovation and speed, allowing the final replacement window to be condensed to an 8-week outage.
Last but certainly not least, we have the national winner of the medium span category, the Panther Creek Bridge located in Klamath, California. While visually stimulating, the bridge solves functional issues by keeping substructure units out of the water below and limiting changes to the roadway profile.
The tight-arched Panther Creek Bridge brought an elegant solution to the environmental considerations and other constraints of the site. The bridge is not only aesthetically pleasing, but includes technical aspects such as ductile seismic anchorages taken from recent research at UCSD, which utilizes steel anchor rods to promote seismic resiliency, and the first use of probabilistic tsunami hazard analysis, which results in a recovery bridge designation.
A huge thanks to the 2026 Prize Bridge Award judges for their time and expertise during this year's competition. Congratulations to all of our winning bridges and the teams that worked so hard on them.